Have you always heard that residential proxies are slow, expensive, and easily blocked? Are you still unsure about their legality? This video is here to clear up all your doubts at once. We've gathered the top 3 concerns users have, and we'll give you the most honest answers, backed by real data and real-life scenarios. Don't let these myths lead you astray. Today, we're keeping it real in an honest talk. We'll address every single concern you have about residential proxies, one by one. Myth 1. Are residential proxies always slow? Truth. Speed depends on network optimization, not proxy type. A lot of people assume that since residential IPs use regular home broadband, the speed must be terrible. Wrong. Thanks to our backbone network direct connections and dynamic bandwidth management, our proxy links are actually more stable than typical home internet. Real-world tests show that in 95% of cases, speed loss is under 10%. Streaming videos or scraping data, you won't even notice the difference. Myth 2. Does using residential proxies mean operating in a legal gray area? Truth. The tool itself is neutral. It all depends on how you use it. A proxy is simply a technical tool, much like a knife. It can be used to chop vegetables or to cause harm. Everything comes down to its intended purpose. Here are some examples of compliant use cases. Brand price monitoring, market research and competitive analysis, ad placement verification, localized content testing. We strictly prohibit any form of misuse and implement real name verification and usage monitoring to ensure all services operate within a legal framework. Myth 3. Do residential IPs expire after just a few minutes? Truth. Customizable session length with unmatched stability. You have complete control over IP lifespan. We offer flexible session durations ranging from 1 minute to 90 minutes, coupled with real-time IP health monitoring that automatically switches faulty nodes. Enjoy 99.9% stability that far exceeds expectations. There are no misconceptions about technology itself, only truths that haven't been clearly explained. Thordata residential proxies. High speed and stability. Optimized routing for minimal speed loss. Full compliance. Transparent use cases, clear guidelines. Persistent connections. Flexible sessions with intelligent switching. Click the link below to access truly reliable proxies for business you can trust.